Hey, I'm Daniel Cunningham here at Water University with your Plant of the Week, or should I say Plants of the Week, our UPlantIt Garden Kit. Now this is our pollinator pack packed full of 14 different species of plants, 32 plants total that come in 4 inches for less than $3 a plant. Now the plants you get start off compact in one box, but once you get them in the ground, they grow fast. In fact, the UPlantIt kit behind me, we planted just a few short months ago, and they're already taking off. Now the thing we get most often, we teach hundreds of classes a year all over the Metroplex, is just tell us what to plant and where to plant it, and that's what we've done for you. We've handpicked a variety of different plants adapted to grow in the harsh conditions of North Texas, a variety of different colors and textures, long blooming plants that are not only great for you, but they're also great for the plethora of native bees and butterflies, even hummingbirds that call North Texas home. Check out the link in the video description to buy your own UPlantIt pollinator pack, and check us out here every Thursday with your Plant of the Week.